It's a really good idea when you first get your chickens, especially when they're point of lay, because they haven't got the maturity to hold as much weight as they will do. They're very, very nervous, and they will be inclined to dart around when you get them home as they settle in and become used to their surroundings. There are certain breeds like the Leghorns and the Campines that 100% need their wings clipped. They are flyers and they will go. Now, it doesn't hurt your chicken. They might not like it particularly, but it doesn't hurt them. It's just like doing your nails, and remember this. You clip the chicken's left wing because they're naturally heavier on that side. That's where their active ovary is. Now, it's very, very simple. You spread the chicken's wing like this, and you can quite clearly see that these are the flight feathers. They have a natural split in their wing there, and this is the indication of where you're going to stop, because these are what I call the keep warm feathers, and chickens need these to keep warm at night when they're roosting. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut those 10 flight feathers off, not going below this line of feathering here, and then you won't hit any of the blood vessels. So with a sharp pair of scissors, good girl, you're just going to take these few feathers off, and that's it done. You don't notice it once it's tucked in under, but it will make a difference because the girl won't be as nimble, and she will, as she puts both wings out, the air will go through that side and she'll go over to one side, giving those few extra seconds for you to catch her if need be.